to this video of my channel. If you guys are new, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to get notified whenever I post a new video. Okay guys, so today is the 29th of December and it is a Monday. Time check, it is 9:22 in the morning. We have to go with my mother to somewhere. I don't know where, but we have to go somewhere. And we were supposed to leave at 8. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready, but I want to take the camera with inside because she's already in a bad mood. So I'm gonna go make some coffee and get some biscuits, and I'll come back and show you guys. So yeah, see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so I just came back. I'm drinking some Nescafe, but not in my green cup, because that's a bit too much. And I'm eating some Baker's Tennis coconut biscuits. Yes guys, we call it a biscuit, not a cookie. A cookie is like a sugar cookie, or like those Christmas like cookies. Anyway, so we're gonna go somewhere. I don't know where, but like we're gonna go somewhere after we've done it. Oh wow, my lips look so. See my lippen like dik now.
Dis baie dik soos
allergies for mango. Guys, I might have like a mild like allergy towards mangoes. I'm also gonna eat it because I'm not like breaking out or anything. It's just my lips start to itch. But that's because like I eat the mango like so the juices kind of get here and then it kind of stays there. So maybe if I like cut it into slices and I eat it like that, then there won't be a problem. But anyway, so yeah. Okay guys, timestamp, it is it is 7 minutes past 10. I just finished showering. This is the outfit. I'm gonna wear this little shirt with my little denim pants. I was gonna wear my white skirt, like this whole outfit I wore for Christmas, but then I was like, we're gonna go do activities. I don't want to be walking in a skirt, and that skirt is so long, like I will let you trip. So yeah, we gotta put her on. So I haven't started my period yet, so I might start it because it did say the 29th and today is the 29th, so I might get it during the day, so I have a pad on just in case. But I'm obviously gonna bring my tampons, because yes guys, my arms are black underneath, don't know why, don't care. But yeah, and then why doesn't it want to focus? Like, hello. But anyway, so this I spray. I haven't done my skincare yet because obviously my mom and my brother still need to wash. My sister is currently washing, but yeah, I'm not gonna wash my face. I'm just gonna wipe it, because my lips really, like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but here it like itches so bad. So yeah, then I got my bracelet because this is such a super cute bracelet. So I put it in this order. Then this one, this is so cute. Then this one, so cute. and then this one that says married. You guys read that? Married. So yeah, and my watch that I got for Christmas never got the appreciation that she deserves, because obviously I worked for Christmas, and then because like whenever like our family comes together for Christmas, we always take our gifts with to show everybody. But then I immediately took it off because we were gonna go swimming, so it didn't get the appreciation that it deserved, and so I was like, that's weird. That's weird. Um, there she is, Miss Girl. She's like, I love how it's like bulky and it's like masculine, but then it's just like she's just a girl. She's just a girl. So yeah, so I'm gonna put it on. I really did want what you call it smartwatch, but I feel like these watches are so cutie patootie, and you can just like, I don't know how to say it. You can just like style it. With a smartwatch, it's just like bah, there's the watch. But with this one, you can actually like style it. So we're taking the girl. We're taking the girl because I need to put this in because I don't want to keep it like loose. So I have some pants. These are just like some exercise pants in case I like we don't, because we're driving for 2.5 hours. In case like there's no toilet nearby and I didn't know that I led to do. Usually it's fine. So for the girls, they don't have to read it. Be grateful. Be grateful. You don't want it. And I don't know how cold it's gonna be on the other side. So I'm taking a little white jersey model with oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. What else do I need? I'm thinking that's like a box. Should I take a box? I think it's a box. So my mom's taking an activity. I don't know what. So wait, I want to just tell you that a lot. What times when I vlog, I use my back camera because it's like the best quality. But recently, because when I use my front camera, it looks to do. I stopped recording the back camera, but I think my mom might use that. But anyway, when I use like my front camera, it kind of looks like duty wise. So that's why I always like to use my back camera. But since I got this contraption, I can see myself obviously. And then I walk around. People look. Oh, people kind of like look at me like I'm crazy for walking around with this contraption. So and then look at the camera and then look at me like, oh, but you're not showing on camera. I'm like, what do you mean? And they're like, oh, like half of your body is cut out. So that's why I'm really grateful for this light, because the light is on. Beautiful quality. Beautiful. It's light twice. So that's how I like using this light, because it is super beautiful quality. Okay. Yeah. I'm also gonna take my earbuds with because I want to listen to music, and I'm taking these two with me because my dad cannot. It's lasts longer than spray. Like, obviously, like when you use lemon spray, you spray it on, and by the time you pull the cap, the scent is gone. But this stuff, I put some on. And what else do I need to take? Let's leave my lips. I think that's all. I think that's all. Okay, guys, so I just undid my ponytails, and then I just took the two pigtails and I put them together in one ponytail. I just quickly brushed my teeth and washed my face. So let's get it. So my mom wants to like leave. Yeah, like we have to leave right now. So how do I watch that? It's on the thing I watch. I don't know. I'm not putting other jewelry because earrings will always look me, and the necklace is gonna make me sweat and I'm gonna rush. Honestly, my skin is so sensitive out of the three of us, but I eat the most junk food, or like I will lie longer. So I ate the most junk food. I remember I ate so many sweets and stuff like that. Well, once you get to the bottom, it was like actually so nice because I don't eat like jello and ice cream and like mashed potatoes. That's why I got like there's a lot of food that I like and really like mushrooms, sweet potato, and all this. Those are the only things I do not eat. Sweet potato also eat it, but not a lot. Oh, we're gonna daddy. I'm gonna take this stuff with, just in case. Maybe that's something will help. Ooh, it's burning. But I have to put something on because I burn really easily in my face. So yeah. Maybe the car like loosen some string. How's it, mama? Mama, also kulit kita akan sini just like huh? Look at this thing. Because it's not and people so. Because when we take a cool box with it's like a long drive, and I need my boots because my lips get like so itchy. That's something I'll take a cold press it against my lips just to kind of stop the itchiness. So yeah. I will probably vlog once we're on the road because we're kind of in a time crunch. So see you guys right now.
Chips. Ik het 'n bietjie litchies en gebring en
Oh wow.
'n paar marshmallowkies wat daar in die kassie gelê het so vir die boks.
Hey guys, so it is literally 1 minute past 11 and we're on the road. Oh. We're gonna go pick up the labels and then we're gonna get on the road. Ik vlog het jou niet. Ik vlog het jou niet. Ik vlog je met de camera. Ik vlog met die...
Oh, ik doe nog niet, jy het dit vergeet. En ek het hom omgedraai vir jou vir die maand.
So yeah, I'm gonna go listen to music right now, but I'll probably pick up the camera once we're really on the road, and then I will show you guys. So okay guys, so time check. Oh my, so it is 10 minutes past 12 and we're officially on the road. We got some food, so I just, because like my lips are very like inflamed or something, I just bought a soda and chicken spoogies. So yeah, we're driving now. It's actually so scary. So I'm gonna eat my spoogies.
Maar miskien sien ons ook giantjies. Julle family gaan ons miskien sien hierso.
I'll update you guys soon. So yeah, we're going in the tunnel now, and I wanted to vlog for you guys.
Nee, so het ek so gemaak het soos na die son om te ry.
I'm gonna switch the camera and then I'll show you guys.
Jetzt das Jahr.
So yeah. Bye. See y'all in a little bit. Okay guys, so it's 22 minutes past 2. We just got here. Because my brother, my sister, and I, all three of us fell asleep. He moved to the back, so now I have the whole seat to myself.
Maliligtas na nga.
Nakalikas ang pag-explain. So, yeah. I don't know if you guys can see at the back, but that's like, that's like the warehouse there. We went in that little door. So, yeah. I'm so tired. And there's nothing to that side.
Where's my phone?
I literally slipped from Ashton all the way until here. So we didn't stop. Where's my Vaseline? Guys, I don't know where I am, but it is 3:11 in the afternoon. Enjoy this little montage. Here's your destination.
Kan dit 'n foto vat van daai ding as ons 'n foto.
Okay. Guys, we just got home. It is currently 7:47. It was a long day. We obviously went on the boat and then we went home like after the boat we went home, we did go to McDonald's to get just some ice cream, and then they were like, oh sorry, we don't have ice cream. We didn't know we had ice cream. When we like ordered it, they were like, yes, okay, 4 plain cones. And then we get to the paying window, and they're like, oh sorry, we don't have. So we went to KFC and we got some cones, and then we came straight home. So yeah, it was a really fun day. Very hot, but it was really fun. It was fun to like go to the other side of the world and just kind of like, explore and see everything and just go on a little road trip. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to get notified whenever I post a new video. And thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my vlogs. It means the world to me, and I promise to try and upload as many vlogs as I possibly can. But in the new year, you guys will get a lot of travel vlogs, so you have to wait. But until then,